Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide details regarding and demo video for SVM support vector mission with the heart disease classification. The input file we are using as CSV. Already we have done and worked with the same data set with the different algorithms like CNN, ANN and also on hybrid CNN and DNN in the same channel. So if you are interested means you can please watch that video. Apart from that, in this video with the same data set and with the same code, we are using going to run SVM, that is support vector mission. So initially we are just declaring all the libraries since it is a continuation of the previous video, that is a previous that is convolution neural network code. Here we have you can see other than the libraries which we need for SVM, there is many libraries imported like convolution 1D, 2D, etc. But in this we no need this type of libraries like sequential, that is models and layers. Here we don't need. Here we need only a scale learned library. So now then we are going to load our data set. For that we are using the PD library, and here our data set is an CSV file. You can see the target variable, this final variable is the target classification variable or the prediction variable. This variable only we will be choosing in our Y value. All other variables, that is all other attributes or features other than this target, will be chosen in the X variable. Then we are just declaring the details regarding our data set by using the df.info by to just check whether what is the value of the attributes or features, whether it is an integer or float, like that. So just checks if it is an integer, a string means we have to just omit it or you have to convert it into integer, because this we are just declaring it will be accepting only numerical values. So we are just checking whether it is considering numerical values or just any strings. If any strings means if you have to omit it or just convert it into numeric. Then we are just describing our data set and also the plotting it into an SNS plot, and by using this we are just declaring it is having nearly two classes, which is an binary classification model like 1 and 2. So then we are just plotting this target variable in a graph, and also finally we are just creating an SNS heat map of the total entire data set here over here. Then we are just declaring X variable and Y variable. As I mentioned previously, in the X variable, apart from target, so we are choosing every values, that is we are dropping target and we are choosing all others attributes or features from the data set. In Y variable we are just choosing target variable, and then by using this here X and Y, we are declaring four variables like X train, X test, Y train and Y test. And for that we are just using the train, test and split function by using the X variable and Y variable, and we are declaring the test size as 0.2. If you want a different test size, that is 70-30 means you have to give the test size as 30, means 0.3 means 30% for testing and remaining 70% for training. In this work the 20% is for testing and remaining 80% is for training. So the random state you can see it is 101, and we are just pre-processing by using a standard scaler with both the X train and also the X test, and then we are declaring the shape. In this SVM we know to declare the shape of the X train and Y train, but in some neural network models it will just accept the input shape as an input, so we have to declare the shape. So only we have just made this. So then we are just using our SVC, that is support vector mission. Here the kernel which we are using in the support vector mission classifier is the linear. Then we are just training our SVM classifier by using the variables like the X train and the Y train. Then we are just testing it by using the X test variable, and that we are just storing in a variable like called ypred, and that ypred, by using this ypred and also Y test, we are declaring the confusion matrix. Confusion matrix, along with the confusion matrix we are also making a classification report. This classification report will just declare or print the variables of all the performance metrics parameters like precision, recall, F1 score, etc., and some micro average etc. So this is the code for a support vector mission in heart disease classification. So in the next video, we will be seeing some other demo for in different languages like Python, MATLAB, and Veka. Thank you.